Today topic is a student without a school. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifas. I am 15 years old. I have never seen the inside of a real school, and I was born in Arkan State. This is the only wall I know. They call us Rohingya. They call us stateless, and they call us refugees. But I am also a student. I have dreams. I want to learn and I want to grow, and we want to change our future. But every day that dream feels like it is dying. Our school is not a real school. It is a small shelter covered in plastic sheet. There are no desks. There are no blackboards, and there are no electricity. Sometimes we study under the sun, and sometimes we sit in the mud after rain. We don't have enough books, and we don't have trained teachers, but they are also trying to teach us. In Myanmar, we are not allowed to go to a school freely. Now in the camps, we are still being denied proper education. We want to study our national education, and we need an university. But we know better after passing primary level. There is nothing for more to learn us. I want to be a doctor, and I want to help our Rohingya community, and I want to work for our Rohingya freedom. But how can I if I don't have an opportunity? Every day I study with fear in my heart, because they say education is a human right. Why does the world deny it to us? Always remember, we are not just refugees, we are not just a crisis, but remember, we are Rohingya, we are dreamers, and we are happy. If the world gives us a chance, give every Rohingya children the right to education. Speak up and share our story. Be their voice. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.